Hey build friends, today we're going to be building Hello Kitty. Should I call you guys build friends? I know in Art for Kids Hub we call you art friends. I feel like build friends is kind of fitting. Alright, let's get into the build. Welcome to the mega table. The blocks that we're going to use is black terracotta. It's actually more of a brown. This is going to be used for the border of Hello Kitty. You could actually use black, but I'm going to use the black terracotta just because we have this black background and it's kind of hard to see the border. Because look at that, this ice cream has a border, but it's kind of hard to see because of the black background. Then we're going to use white wool, light blue concrete, yellow concrete, white concrete, black concrete, then red wool, and red concrete. First, we're gonna build Hello Kitty's legs. In the middle, we're gonna just place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks up. And this is the middle of her legs. And then we're gonna do the bottom, and we're gonna go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna do the same on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Then we're gonna go up 5 times as well. And then this is for her feet and part of her legs. There we go. Now we're gonna go on this side and we're gonna fill up 2 layers of white wool like this and fill up this side as well. Then we're gonna use the black terracotta and layer this on top of here. There's her little feet. Now we're gonna build her shirt. We're gonna build up 4 more times up here. And then do the same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after this, we're actually going to fill all of this in with the light blue concrete all the way up to the top. We're going to make some adjustments like adding in the buttons and other things, but that's all we're going to do right now. Now we're going to build the rest of her overalls or shirt. On top of this blue, we're going to build up 2 blocks, and then we're going to go into with the light blue. Then we're going to do 3 of the black terracotta, 2 light blue, and then 2 going up like this. Then on the layer right next to it, we're going to do light blue concrete, then the black terracotta. Then we're going to fill this in with yellow because this is her yellow shirt underneath. Then we're going to just finish it off with black and blue. There we go. There's her little shirt. Now we're going to add the little buttons right here on this little corner diagonal, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. Right there. Right there. And we're going to place white concrete. That's for our little buttons. Now we're going to build her arms. So coming from over here, we're just going to build it from the top and then we're going to work our way down just so it makes a little bit more sense. We're going to place yellow right here and then black terracotta here. And then we're going to place 2 yellow right here and then the black. And then 2 more yellow here and another black. I guess this is brown, but it's a black terracotta. That's what this is, black terracotta, but it just looks brown. So it kind of looks like this. And then we're gonna build a layer of this underneath. And then we're gonna go down 2 on this side. And then we're gonna fill this in with the white wool for our hands. And then like this. We're actually going to build on this side. Let's actually start from the bottom and going up. Let's see if this is actually more easy. Starting from this blue layer. So we're going to go from this blue layer and go out 2. And then we're going to do 2 white like this. And we'll do another white. And then on the outside of this, we're going to go up with the black terracotta. So that's the little hand, just like on this side. And then we're going to just build all the way across with this. And then on this side, we're going to build up 1. Then fill it in with the yellow, and then this is more diagonal, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, we go in like this and like that, if that makes sense. And then we're gonna go up diagonal, and I'm pretty sure that's it. Hopefully that wasn't confusing. I might have gone too fast. You could pause the video if you want. Maybe look at it and check and see if yours looks the same as mine right now. We finished the body and now we're gonna do her head. And starting off her head, we're just gonna do 1 layer of the brown. I'm just gonna call this brown all the way across. Okay, now from here, we're gonna just start going layer by layer. So this is gonna be part of her whiskers. On this corner, we're gonna go up 1 and then out 2. And that's one of her whiskers. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Then fill this all in with white all the way across. Then from 1 block in from the side, we're gonna go and place this here. We're gonna do the same thing over here, and we're gonna fill all of this in as well. Now, her nose belongs right in the middle of this. So we're gonna just break right in the middle and place her nose. Just make sure it lines up with the middle of her feet. Next, we're gonna do another whisker. So on this side, we're gonna build up 1 more, then out 3. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here, 1, and then out 3. And then with this, we're actually going to build in 2. Then we're going to place the black concrete. We could actually finish her eyes. That's her eye right there. And then we're going to just go all the way across. And then we're going to just do another eye. And then all the way across. Like that. So we went up a little bit, but that's okay. That's just to finish her eyes, just so that we know where her eyes are. Now we're going to build up 1 more. So make sure you go in 1. Then we'll just do the same thing over here and build all the way across with this white. Super simple. There is a lot of white. Her head is actually pretty big. We're going to do the last whisker on this side. We're going to place a block here and then go all the way in like this. And this is going to line up with this one right here. So we're going to place 1 block and then go out 3. Then over here, 1 block in, out 3. There we go. Then this layer is just all the way across with the white wool. And we're using the white wool because that kind of looks a little fuzzy. Now let's make this a little bit easier. Going 1 in from here, we're going to build up 3. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to build up 3. Okay, so the bow is going to be right here. So make sure you pay attention. We're going to place white wool right on this corner above the whisker. And then we're going to go across 2 with the black terracotta. And then simply, wrong block. Then simply go all the way across with this. Now we're going to actually start back over here. And in this little corner, we're going to place 1 black terracotta. And then we're going to place 2 wool. And then we're going to go back to the black. And then the white, black, and then all the way across. This is the start of the bow. We're just going layer by layer. Now this next layer, we're going to do black, red, and then we're going to do another black. And then we're going to use the red concrete right here. And then we're going to do black. And then we're going to do red. And then we're going to do black again. I went a little slower there, so hopefully that helped. We're going to go back to this corner and build up 1 right there. And then we're going to go across 1, 2. And then we're going to do 2 red wool. And then we're going to do 1 black. And then we're going to do 2 more red. Another black. And then we're going to go all the way across. And we're going to place this here. And the reason why we just keep starting on this side is because this is where a lot of the complicated blocks are. So we're going to actually go back here, place another block on top of this one. And then we're going to do 2 white. And then we're going to do 2 black. And then we're going to go red, concrete, and then red wool. So we kind of alternate right there. And then we're going to place another black concrete and go all the way across like this. And then place this right there. Another black. And then now we're going to just go all the way back here again. Go up 1, place 3 white, and then we're going to do another black, 2 red wool, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 black in a row. And then we'll do 2 white, then a black. And then we could finish up on top of this. And that's for the ear, the little ear right there. And then we're going to just go back over here. And then we're going to place 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks on top of that to finish off that side of the ear. But then we also need to finish off the bow. So we're going to skip this block and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And there we have it. Our Hello Kitty. It looks so good. Hopefully yours looks close to mine. This was so much fun. And also Hello Kitty, she has a ton of different outfits. So you could actually dress her up in different colors or even different outfits. Hope you guys had a lot of fun following along with me and building Hello Kitty. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more how to build tutorials. And I'll see you later. Goodbye.